Welcome, today I'm showing you how to activate Hey Google option into XIAOMI Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. Firstly, open your Google application, this one. Now I've got more options in the bottom right corner. If you don't have this button here, press to your Google account icon and choose settings. So I'm going to more and choose settings. Now go into voice option and here choose voice match. And now need to activate this feature by tapping. And now need to give access to your assistant, tap next, I agree. And how you can see, Hey Google is ready to use, press continue, and that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.